There was a boy named Imran who was not very good at English. Whenever the teacher asked him to read, he felt nervous. His classmates sometimes laughed when he made mistakes. Because of this, Imran became very shy. He stopped raising his hand in class. One day, his teacher noticed this and called him after class. The teacher said kindly, "Imran, making mistakes is part of learning. The important thing is not to give up." The teacher gave him a small challenge: read 1 page English every day. At first, it was very difficult. Imran read slowly and made many mistakes, but he continued practicing every day. After a few months, something amazing happened. Imran could read easily. His confidence grew stronger. One day in class, the teacher asked someone to read a long paragraph. Before anyone else could answer, Imran raised his hand. He read the whole paragraph clearly. The class was surprised. Even the students who laughed before were impressed. That day, Imran learned an important lesson. Success does not come from talent alone. It comes from practice and determination. Moral: never give up on learning. Subscribe for more interesting stories.